All right, so let's see. So for Goorin, the hat company that I normally wear, uh, it says, let's see, let's see. So the head, so look at all this information that they're giving us, right? So talk about reconnaissance, right?
Congratulations, you played yourself.
So they're sharing the domain. So with like without having to go to the actual site, we can just use this API call to get the domain search, and it's telling us that the domain gorin.com, they don't use webmail. I don't know what the disposable stands for, except all is false. So pattern first letter, first initial, and last names that they're telling us, and the the organization Goorin Bros, fashion, all right, so industry, retail, and apparel, all their social media links. So you could stalk the hell out of this company if you wanted to, right? Let's see. Technologies, Babel. So I can see from here already, right? From the technologies, they're using a node framework, so Babel, Facebook, Google Analytics, Google Fonts. So they're getting their fonts from Google, Google Tags Manager, Lightbox, React JS, Vue.js, Visual Web Optimizer, Shopify. They're using Shopify. Font Awesome for maybe their what do you call those things again? I forgot the name of them, but they're little icons. Cloudflare probably for their CDN. They're based in San Francisco, California. They have a headcount of 51 to 200 employees. It's a privately held company. Says, not sure. So that's probably the CEO right here. Let's see. Sources, LinkedIn. So the first, so that's not the CEO. That is all right. So that's a VP of product design, Andrea Chinoweth, department design, senior executive. Why don't we check out her? Why don't we check out her LinkedIn? Oh, that's not what I do. Let's see. There goes Andrea for Goorin Bros. Um, talk about reconnaissance. Talk about reconnaissance. Intel gathering. So now I can be looking at Andrea's um, LinkedIn profile, all about Andrea, as I try to gather information on getting into this hat manufacturing company. We're hiring senior marketing manager of CRM and digital marketing, a fashion designer. So for all of you who went to school for fashion design, you can apply for Goorin Bros. All right, let's go back to our API. What else do we got? We have this information was verified on February 7th. What else do we have? Email addresses. Reed Johnson, Executive Vice President, on 3 different locations. This was verified 1/4/2025. We have Chase Nutter, Senior Management, Retail Manager, confidence 97% confidence, and we have all these email addresses, right? So imagine if you send an email to all of them, right, to try to see what type of social engineering you can do. Let's see. We have Adam Laverentidis, Director of Marketing. Let's see what Adam is up to. Let's find out more about Adam. Adam, 15-year international experience, energizing globally. Look at that. Which hat is he wearing? He is wearing the dog hat. Look at that. Well, he used to work at Timberland. Let's see. He used to work at Converse as well. And all of this information is like, it's great for social engineering as well, right? It's not only to try to like see if you can hack into somebody's email, but to like, and I'll tell you this, right? The same thing you see me doing here for like this reconnaissance stuff is the same thing that I would do if I was applying, if I was going on an interview for a job, right? I would be looking to get all the information on the people who work at the company, who's going to be interviewing me and stuff like that, so that I can try to be personable and relate to them. And so it's all about marketing. It is all about marketing at the end of the day. So the same tactics that you would be using, that we're using for Intel, like I believe that reconnaissance, although it is part of ethical hacking and penetration testing, it spans all of the, like, pretty much anything, right? So if you're going to be interviewing, you should be doing the same thing. You should be doing the same reconnaissance for if you're going to be interviewing somebody, right? Now it's going to be a different type of reconnaissance because they don't have a company that you're going to be looking up, but you need to find out information about the person that you're going to be interviewing, all right? All right. So that's Adam. All right. Let's go back over to here. Let's see. Yeah, there's like a bunch of other people, right? And there's more people that they have, but due to our account, it only gives us up to about like 10 people, I think. Let me see. Where did we have this open? All right. No, where is it? Okay, so there it goes, 100.io. Let's go back. So now let's try we're going to do this. So we're going to go to here, and I have a video in the Patreon where I'm actually showing you how to do reconnaissance. I didn't even know it was reconnaissance at the time, but I'm showing you how to do reconnaissance on LinkedIn in order to get more information about a company, so that you can try to network with the people at that company, to try to build a rapport before you like months before you even apply for that job, right? So let's go. So let's do Fanatics. Which one is Fanatics? Are they the team apparel stuff, or are they a gambling site? So Fanatics is gambling. Interesting. So all right. So look at that. We have Mary Jose right here, right? So who is the hiring manager for Fanatics? All right. For the senior quality assurance. So she's the senior manager, quality assurance engineering. So let's try to find out some information about Mary Jose. All right. Let's go to. All right. Let's see what the API call is. So we need to do domain name, and then we're gonna pass in Mary Jose. Okay. So I'm going to copy this one. Let us save the domain search, and I'm going to add a new one, and I'm going to paste this in here, and I'm going to say Goorin.com, and I'm going to say Mary and the last name Jose, and we are going to send our request and wait to see if anything gets returned to us. So being that it's searching the database, that might take a little bit longer. But I put the wrong site. So it should be fanatics.com, I believe, right? So let's try fanatics.com. See, that's why I'm a little confused, because I know Fanatics as the clothing website, but on here it's saying, let me check What's the logo for this one? Fanatics. It's the same one. So why does it say? So do they do both? Do they do the clothing and the sports gambling? Okay, well, whatever. Let's try. So here we have fanatics.com, and we're gonna send that, and it found it right away. It found it right away. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. So we have a 92 score. First name Mary, last name Jose, email address mjose@fanatics.com, domain fanatics.com, company Fanatics. Verification date is, I guess they must be in GMT time because, or some ahead of us, but the verification date is tomorrow. They are in the future. But look at that. We have Mary Jose's email address. So if I'm applying on the QA side, I can say, oh, I saw that you had a posting, and I email Mary Jose directly, right? Send her my resume and my accolades directly. Tell her like why I am the person that you should be hiring. But that's that one. That is remarkable. That is remarkable how we're able to find this hunter.io thing. Let's see, what else do we have? Email verification. What does that one tell us? So how about this? Right? Let's verify Mary's email address. Right? Let's make sure it's correct. So I'm gonna copy this one, and we're gonna save this as, this is person search. Save to hunter.io, scenario 1. All right, now I'm gonna do a new one, and this is gonna be, so we know that Mary's email is mjose@fanatics.com. All right, so now if I send this out, and it comes back with a 200. It tells us that the score is 72. Results risky. Using results is deprecated. Use status instead. Status accept all. So it looks like regex true, gibberish false, disposable. So I think what they mean by regex, which if I had to guess, is even if you have a slight mistake in the email address, it'll still try to get it to her. I could be wrong about that. Gibberish false, so you can't just pass in anything. MX records are true. SMTP server is true. SMTP check is true. Accept all is true. Block. All right, so that is pretty interesting. That is look at that. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Let's see, what else do we have? Company enrichment. Let's see what that does. Let's go to, so let's save this one. And this is email verification. All right, next up we have, this was, what was this one? It was company enrichment. So all right, let's find another site. Let's find another one because we've beat up Fanatics enough. But staff QA engineer, that's awesome. Let's do, what about serve robotics? What are they talking about? So let's find, I don't know their domain like that, but if we go to, so let's say we have serve robotics, right? And we go to hunter.io, and we say, all right, I want to find, let's say discover. Let's say company name, and I want to say, what is the name again? It is, did I copy it? Nope. It is Serve Robotics. So let's say we do a discover for Serve Robotics. Serve Robotics, look at that. Look at Serve Robotics. And it's serverobotics.com. That's the domain. It found 27 emails already. All right, I'm going to copy their email address. And I am going to go to our talent, and I'm going to pass in, not their email, but copy their domain. I'm going to pass in their domain name. And I am going to say, all right, so we found Server Robotics doing the, what is the name of the search that we did? We did a company enrichment. Let's see what they have under company so the results for company enrichment, right? So we have the name of the company, Server Robotics. The legal name is Server Robotics. The domain is serverobotics.com. They have no domain aliases. There goes their phone number in case we want to call them. We have their company email addresses. We have contact serve, careers, press, info, investor.relations, partners, and invest. We have the categories that it's under. We have their tags, year was founded, their time zone, their logo, their social media. Let's see. So that's everything. That's pretty detailed. That is pretty detailed. All right. What else do they have? Person enrichment. Let's do a person enrichment. I will use Mary Jose again for this one. This one is email company enrichment. Let's drop it here. All right. So let's do a new one. And we're going to do M. Jose at Fanatics. And we're going to say a search. Oh, what did I do wrong? Hold on. Company enrichment. This is going to be person enrichment. What did I do wrong? M. Jose at fanatics.com. Did I miss an S? All right, let's try that again. The email address does not exist. What? But you found it on the other one. Maybe they don't have her in particular in their database. So let's do another one then. Let's do a domain. Let's use. How about we use this Goorin Bros one? And let's use this person. We're going to copy that and we're going to go over to person enrichment. Let's try this person. Oh, look at that. We got this person. And the info that we get from them is, so we have their full name, given name, their family name, their location. Oh my God, look at this. Look at all this information. The longitude and the latitude. Let me see. Can I? Can we pass in what about if we do I'm trying to pass in this value into Google Maps. All right, so let's see if we go here, paste that.
Lunch break, lunch break.
I'm going to share the map with you in just a second. So, if we move this map over into here. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Let's do this. If we move it here, so they are somewhere around here in San Francisco. All from our API call right here. Employment, Vice President of Product Design. We got their LinkedIn handle. Nothing on Twitter, nothing on GitHub. They even have a GitHub. You can even get a GitHub in there as well. Email provider, all that. So that's a lot of information. That is a lot of information, but we're going to get to break. Alrighty then. So let's see what else we got.
Can find even one, just an honest person. So many lies, so many scams, so much brokenness. Why do we do this to ourselves? We need truth unchained from lies, freedom soaring past the sky, honesty in every breath we take, a world of love where hearts don't break. Walking down the street, I see the shadows creep. People wear their masks, but underneath they weep. Tired eyes hiding secrets deep and dark, in a world where truth's a dying art. In the shadows hiding from daylight, smiling faces that don't seem right. Where's the goodness we seek each day? In a world where light feels far away. Where's the good? Where's the honest heart? In this world that's tearing us apart. We need freedom. We need honesty. In the time of lies, set our spirits free. Promises broken like shattered glass, whispers of deceit in every word that passes. Searching for a light in this twisted maze, hoping to find truth amidst the haze. Where's the good? Where's the honest heart? In this world that's tearing us apart. We need freedom. We need honesty. In a time of lies, set our spirits free. Where's the good? Where's the honest heart? In this world that's tearing us apart. We need to rise, break these chains. Freedom and honesty, despite the pains. Scammers with their tricks and liars in disguise, abusers hiding safely behind their lies. We seek justice, but it's nowhere to be found. Lost in a sea where deceit abounds. Abusers shame with hands unseen. Innocent hearts caught in between. We dream of days where hope's reborn. A better world where none are torn. Kindness grows in unseen places, among the masks and hidden faces. We hold the dreams of brighter days, wishing away these bleak gray